The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. With over 17,000 markets and extended trading hours, turn US earnings season volatility into opportunity. Get started at IG.com.
The stock of the day is Macquarie, reporting a $1.6 billion profit for the first half of the financial year. However, that was below consensus estimates and down from the previous half by 23%. Market-facing activities delivered $1.4 billion in profit, down 10% on the first half and down 34% on the same period last year. Macquarie says that it remains cautious with a conservative approach to allow it to respond to the current environment, although it also did say that potential volatility could bring opportunity. Macquarie cut its interim dividend to $2.60 and has extended its $2 billion buyback for a further 12 months. And the share price has been hammered down by 4%, or round about there, to $221.74, just past noon here in Sydney. So my guests here today, Michael Gable from Fairmont Equities and Jonathan Tacadena from MPC Markets. Previously, you were mentioning potential buying opportunities. Could today be one for Macquarie?
Not just yet, but you definitely need to think in those terms, because Macquarie, it's been a great trading stock for us. It is one of those stocks that you get periods of weakness, and it is a buy the dip stock. It's just the personality of the way it trades. So it did provide sort of a technical sell signal there, maybe about a week or two ago. We did sell it for clients a bit earlier than that, probably more like about a month ago now, but it does look like it's topped for the time being. It's hit some major resistance in sort of, there's a bit of a channel going on there. So potentially we could see it down towards 210, but it is one that I'm keeping an eye on. So look, it's down 4% today. It's not a great day for the market. So in some respects, it's hard to get a read on, if the market was having just a regular sort of slightly up day, 4% would stick out a bit more. But we could see a little bit more downside in Macquarie. The result, a bit of a miss, of course, as you mentioned. They do need a really strong second half now to hit full year expectations. The cautious outlook, Macquarie always gives an outlook that's not, not fantastic anyway. They do tend to try to, under promise, over deliver. So look, ultimately, if you have a longer term view of the market where it'll go up, Macquarie will benefit from that. I think, any weakness over the next sort of few days or so, you'd be looking to buy it. And at the moment, I'm targeting 210, but we'll just see how we go. Okay,
so that is a hold if you're in it, though, most certainly.
Yeah, I wouldn't bother selling now. It's a bit too late.
Yeah. Okay. Jonathan, how do you see Macquarie?
Similar views. So, as Michael said, great trading stock. It does have great runs, and it's quite volatile as well. So we see a pullback here. Just having a look at the actual numbers, it looks like the market was kind of pricing it for perfection. But we've seen this year that commodities haven't done great. We've seen iron ore fall, massive falls in lithium. Uranium's had massive falls, so that their commodities trading division just hasn't been able to live up to the expectations as in previous years, and that's where a lot of the misses come from. So, but if you look down a bit deeper, the asset management side has done well, and they're increasing their mortgage book as well. So there's a bit of mixed results there, but at the moment a hold. I would like to see what happens next week, obviously with the election, before looking to buy in. If it's a quick Trump victory, then I do think that there's going to be a good run in the commodity space, and that could help the Macquarie price as well. But around that 200 and 210 is around a good buying level. But at the moment, just a hold for now, and let's just see what happens next week.
We are all waiting for next week. That is the stock of the day, Macquarie Group.
Stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Turn volatility into opportunity this US earnings season with extended trading hours on over 110 key US shares. Get started at IG.com.